Jamushi Travels is back, and today we'll share to you the Yoko in Shinjuku experience from December 2025 to January 2026 this year. Going to the hotel, I booked my free airport transfer care of Priority Pass, which makes our check-in more convenient. Yoko in. Kita nyo ba? Yung... Baby! Hi! So we are at the Yoko Inn. So we're checking in and then later hanapin namin si na kuya. Bye-bye! Okay, so we're coming in and we're at what floor, baby? What's your
7.
So ito yung mga eco stay na naman po natin for today.
Okay lang, at least wala tayo.
Sa araw na maglilinis sila. So, gusto ko lucky. Anyway, nung floor kaya sila na. Alright, so dito tayo 716. Ano kaya ang view natin? Let's find out.
Hello, welcome to Toyoko Inn. So we're at room 716.
Toyoko Inn saan to?
Shinjuku, Kabukicho. Ayan. So tour muna tayo sa CR as usual. And,
magkakamukha din. May
standard
toothbrush
naman.
na.
Pero may toothbrush. Ayaw nga, may
And
toothbrush.
fairness. At may face and hand soap na. Medyo mas improved version dito.
Tsaka importante may bibig.
Na naman, 10 out of 10.
And
And
yung
then?
room sleepers.
Okay.
And, tapos may
Ice cream.
Ayan.
Maluwag siya.
Tapos, ayan, may ballpen na rin.
Oo
Tsaka
nga,
may
no.
bukad. At may coffee maker. Ayan, sa baba. Nasaan yung safe? May safe.
Baka nawala. Baka wala.
Hindi, usually may safe.
Sige, malalaman din natin.
Oo. Baka yun yung wala. Walang safe. Pero yan, may extra tissue dyan.
Oo.
Yan. Wala nga safe. Pero yan, eto may plug din dito.
At yung fabric sa finance natin.
Ayan, pambabango.
And ang view.
Ayan, maganda yung view, at least meron.
Wow. Mini
Diba?
stop. Ang view natin for today's
Hindi,
video.
may window. Yun yung
Alright, that's good.
Alright.
So, ano agenda na natin today?
Hi. See you.
Okay, see you. Time check, it's 5 o'clock.
Bye-bye.
Japan time. Bye-bye. Happy anniversary to you. Hi, magbe-breakfast si na mama at papa. Papa.
Hi, so first breakfast natin ngayon sa Toyoko Inn and maraming selection. So may parang meatball, ay ano yun, fishball, tapos winner, omelette, pumpkin, egg, fish, yan. Tapos may salad. Tapos ito yung may furikake na tapos almond. Tapos tinry ko yung curry soup nila.
Okay din ba? Mas gusto ko yung miso soup eh. Tapos yung
Okay.
kanin dun isa, yung white rice, ayun, yung proportionin mo. Si Papa, excited na kumain. Siya, si Papa. Yan na. Bye-bye. Lasa.
Pwede, jumbo. Doon. Ang sarap yung sa derby. Hindi sa crunchy. canteen po.
At saan ko ng mga...
Doon sa
Yan,
siksik kita.
Hindi, ito po kasi galing lang, binili lang.
Hindi gawa nila.
Sa Derby siguro gawa
Gawa nila yun.
Sarap.
There's a variety of food served every day during breakfast, and the dining area is also spacious enough for family meeting before and after Japan trip adventures.
Yan yung kay mama daw. Yan lang daw talaga siya. Hi!
Hello!
So,
Try natin yung sparkling water ng
Tuyo po.
Cheers!
Lasa. Wow, may ano. Ano? Sarap. Lasang sparkly?
Okay na.
Okay.
Sa aluminum yung bote.
Happy eating.
Eating. Wala masyadong ulam ngayon.
Anong ponsit?
Wala ka na lang. Pati yung rice, walang special guys.
Wala rin special rice na yun. Okay.
Ayan. May curry kayo.
Kasi may curry. Huh? Okay. Okay na ako may curry. Hindi na ako galit. Sana binol ko pala, pero sige. Oopsie. Kinamay ko na. Ako na yung last of us sa juice. Kasi ito yung natutuwa ko kay Ate Anya, oh. Naglagay siya nito. Sorry.
So that's our Toyoko-in Shinjuku experience. Now we're on our way to Tokyo Kabukicho Tower to ride the Narita Express bus to the airport. So until next time, see you in our next adventure. Bye-bye!